Evaluate the reduction formula for In is equal to integral sine power nx into dx. Hence, find integral sine power 4x into dx. Before we start this reduction formula, we need some important formulas. That is, suppose In, the given condition is the representation of In. Here, In is equal to integral sine power nx into dx. Suppose put I is equal to 1, that is equal to integral sine power 1x into dx. Integral sine x into dx is equal to minus cos x. Similarly, I 0, integral sine power 0x into dx. That is equal to integral 1 into dx. In integral 1 into dx, that is equal to x. And again, n minus 1. That is equal to integral sine power, put n in the place of n, put n minus 1 x into dx. These three are the very important formulas in using this condition. And also one more important formula, by parts. By parts, integral u v integral f of x into g of x into dx, that is equal to fx into integral g of x into dx minus integral d by dx of f of x integral g of x into dx whole dx. So this is the very important formula, by parts formula. So ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే In is equal to ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ and I1 is equal to put n is equal to 1 and I not is equal to put n is equal to 0 and In minus 1 put n minus 1 in the place of n. ఈ మూడు ఇలా రాసుకుంటే ఆ తర్వాత బై పార్ట్స్ ఫార్ములా మనకి వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇక్కడ బై పార్ట్స్ ఫార్ములా ఆల్రెడీ మనకి తెలుసు ఉండాలి, ఓకేనా. అండ్ తర్వాత ఈ ఫోర్ ఫార్ములాస్ రైట్. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఇక్కడ 6 రిడక్షన్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయి. సైన్ పవర్ nx నేను ప్రూవ్ చేస్తే ఇంటిగ్రల్ కాస్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ nx మీరు చేయొచ్చు సింపుల్ గా. తర్వాత tan చేస్తే cot మీరు చేయొచ్చు. సీకెంట్ చేస్తే కొసీకెంట్ చేస్తే సీకెంట్ మీరు చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో మనం మెయిన్ గా ఇక్కడ 3 రిడక్షన్ ఫార్ములాస్ కనుక చేసుకుంటే మిగతా 3 మనకి సింపుల్ అయిపోతాయి. ఈ 6 లో నుంచి కంపల్సరీగా ఒక 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ అనేది వస్తుంది, ఓకేనా. రైట్, ఇది మనం ప్రూవ్ చేద్దాం బై యూజింగ్ దీస్ కండిషన్స్. రైట్, సో given that the representation of In, so In is equal to integral sine power nx into dx. Now this can be written as integral sine power n minus 1x into sine power sine x into dx, because if bases are equal, powers must be added. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, sine power n. So both are equal. This can be written as like this, sine power n minus 1x into sine x into dx. So let us assume that this is by parts formula, f of x into g of x. So by parts formula laga rastunanu, by applying by parts formula for this condition, that is equal to f of x into sine power n minus 1 into x integral g of x into dx minus integral d by dx of f of x sine power n minus 1 into x integral g of x into dx whole dx. So this is the by parts formula. Say that is equal to sine power n minus 1 into x integral sin x into dx minus cos x minus integral d by dx of ఇది ఎలా ఉందంటే x పవర్ n లాగా ఉంది. x పవర్ n d by dx of x power of n అంటే n into x to the power of n minus 1. So n into means n minus 1 into x to the power n minus 1 sin power n minus 1 into x into d by dx of sin x. సో ఇక్కడ మనం దేని అనుకున్నాము sin x x అనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి into d by dx of మళ్ళా చేయాలి sin x into dx ఇంటిగ్రల్ sin x dx అంటే ఇంటిగ్రల్ cos x సారీ మైనస్ cos x ఇంటిగ్రల్ sin x కంటే మైనస్ cos x into whole dx that is equal to sin power n minus 1 into x ముందు మైనస్ తీసుకొద్దాం మైనస్ లైన్ ముందుకి into cos x minus ఇది కాన్స్టెంట్ కాబట్టి n minus 1 ఇంటిగ్రల్ sin power n minus 1 minus 2 into x again d by dx of sin x అంటే cos x into minus cos x into dx that is equal to minus sin power n minus 1 into x into cos x minus ఇక్కడ ఒక మైనస్ ఉంది కదా ఈ మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ n minus 1 మైనస్ ముందు తీసుకొస్తే మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ n minus 1 into ఇంటిగ్రల్ sin power n minus 2 into x cos x into cos x cos square x into dx that is equal to minus sin power n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1 into integral sin power n minus 2x into 1 cos square and 1 minus sin square x into dx that is equal to minus sin power n minus 1x into cos x plus we can multiply with minus 1 direct multiply cheyandi minus 1 into this one sin square x into sin power n minus 2 into x into 1 this one into this one and again this one into this one okay, multiply so here this one into this one n minus 1 into integral this one into 1 sin power n minus 2 into x into 1 again plus into minus minus n minus 1 into integral sin power n minus 2x into sin square x into dx that is equal to minus sin power n minus 1 into x into cos x plus n minus 1 into so in the reduction formula is like n minus 1 రాసినప్పుడు n ఉన్న ప్లేస్ లో n minus 1 n ఉన్న ప్లేస్ లో n minus 2 పెడితే this is I n minus 2 ఈ పార్ట్ అంతా I n minus 2 minus n minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 cancel into sin power nx into dx sin power bases are equal the powers must be added sin power nx so that is I this is I so this is I n now again this is I n we transpose that one I n ఈ టర్మ్ మొత్తం అటు తీసుకెళ్తే minus of n minus 1 into in that is equal to minus sin power n minus 1 in x into cos x plus n minus 1 into I n minus 2 that implies I n common తీస్తే 1 minus n plus 1 minus n plus 1 that is equal to minus term here plus term so 1 plus n minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 cancel minus sin n minus 1 x into cos x plus n minus 1 into I n minus 2. So here in we need only in. So n advise this tripote, that is equal to minus sin n minus 1 in x into cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n into I n minus 2. So this is the main equation. So this is the reduction formula, and also find sin power 4x. Now integral sin power 4x into dx, that is equal to, put n is equal to 4. So this is I4. Again that is equal to minus sin 4 minus 1x into cos x by 4 plus 4 minus 1 by 4 I4 minus 2, that is equal to minus sin cube x into cos x by 4 plus 3 by 4 into I2. Again ఇక్కడ I2 ఉంది. Again now I2 is equal to, what about I2? I2 is equal to, put n is equal to 2. I2 is equal to minus sin 2 minus 1, so 1x into cos x by 2 plus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 into I0. I0 means x, that is equal to minus sin x into cos x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into x. Therefore I4 is equal to, now substitute I2 value here, minus sin cube x into cos x divided by 4 plus 3 by 4 into this value, minus sin x into cos x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into x. Hence solve. So this is the way we have to solve any reduction formula by using the same conditions. Okay.